making. Hey.
Interesting properties to it.
I'm making you a cat.
Okay, can you keep your slime over on your side?
Now, rolling fast. Wow, he can't do it. It makes me fly flop over. Hey, Daddy, one day, that's his piece. That's not this piece.
No, that's my piece. You got it. You're getting orange in it. Put your orange away, and then you can have some green. Watch out. See?
That's Daddy. Now from that piece. Now, both green.
What are you making, Carson?
I don't know. I just think now.
Do you like the way it feels?
I think mine's rubber bullet, Mom.
Yeah, well, don't get them in mine.
I think he's a rubber bullet.
Hey, look at mine.
I'm going as big as I can.